I'm very excited bringing this property your way. This is a beautiful property along Agbani Road, sitting on a 670 square meter. We're actually heading there right now. This is the road towards Agbani Road from unec, Kenyatta, that road. We're going towards Mayor Junction. You can see the Access Bank there. Access Bank right there is on Agbani Road. And so once we get to the junction there, we take left towards Mayor. This property is just between First Bank and Fidelity Bank along Agbani Road before Mayor Market. I'm excited about this particular property. If you are already, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel as we bring you this type of property updates from time to time. I am Jeff Anozie, your favorite real estate consultant right here in Enugu State, Nigeria. So this is Agbani Road, and I'm sure this will not be in the market for too long. Okay, all right, so right here is the property for sale sitting along the road. Now this is a Google map from 2018. I'm going to be showing you the current state of the place in a moment, but I just wanted to first show you what the environment looks like first. So right there, yes, this one I'm circling, that is the property. Of course, you can buy it and do whatever you want to do with it. You can bring it down and erect another structure, whatever. But the point is, look at the environment just along the road, along Agbani Road. Agbani Road is one of the most popular and most populated environments for business, especially within Enugu State, Nigeria. Okay, so that is it right there. It's a one-story building sitting on a 670 square meter land. Of course, the land extends to the other road at the back of this. I'll show you an aerial picture in a moment, but this is what it is. Okay, so this is the state right now. So this video is 2021. Okay, in October 2021. This is the express, this is the road, Agbani Road, and that is the building right there. You can see how busy this road is. Okay, so this is the building. It's currently a commercial building, but the building is up for sale. It's just beside this other EDC office, number 187 Agbani Road, just along the road. We're going to go up on the ceiling, on the roof, so that I can show you the back side of this building. Okay, so we're right here on top of the building. And my goal is to just show you the length of this building. I want to show you the back and show you how the land connects from Agbani Road to the street behind Agbani Road, and this whole entire building is what is up for sale. Okay, so this is it. It connects, the building connects, the land connects from the beginning of Agbani Road till the street at the back. So you can decide to play with the two views and build whatever you think you would like on this particular property. This is going for just 85 million naira, and it comes with a C of O. It comes with a C of, like you can see right here is the building, 187 Agbani Road, and you can see the length. Look at the length of this building. It's really the length of the land is big. You can play with it, you can do whatever it is you want to. You can bring down the building and put up another one. You can see it right there. So call me now on 080967376668. Let's bring you for inspection. Discuss your budget as per your bid to acquire this property. Okay, so call me now, let us discuss. You get to see the documents and everything. It has a C of O. 85 million naira is the asking price. Call me today and let us discuss this. Till I come your way next time, I'm Jeff Anozie. Like this video, hit the subscribe button so you get to see this type of deals from time to time. Enjoy a great day. Bye for now.